everybody. So I decided to be silly just like I have to do in class sometimes and wear my sunglasses for some cool math today. So be on the lookout for some other silliness in other videos. So math today. All right, so I'm going to go into my math from my table of contents. It tells me there's going to be more than one slide, so I got to make sure that I pay attention to that. So when I go to math, I don't see my suggested activity yet. So if I'm really focused on getting that suggested activity done first, then I might need to use my arrows and go to the right to find it. When I look here, I see, oh, there's our cool song. So you might want to pause and go check out that song for a little bit because you know how I like to sing. I know how you like to sing. But I'm going to keep looking for my suggested activity. When I go here, now I see it. All right. It tells me I'm looking at some polygons and some shapes this week. Okay. So I have a couple things to kind of remind you before we get into how to do the assignment. So polygons, there is a video down here that I think we've watched in class before to kind of remind you some more things if my hints here don't help you. Okay. But let's say I'm drawing some polygons, like it tells me to do that here. It tells me in the middle to sketch some polygons. Okay. And I'll show you how to do that in just a little bit, but I'm just using sticky notes right now. All right. Polygon. Oh, remember. Uh-oh. I got to go to my anchor chart. I'm going to go to my anchor chart to make sure. Because just like in class, if I don't remember, I can look on the wall. So here's my own personal anchor chart from the wall. Okay, so again, I got that from my little link right there. All right. So here it reminds me. All right. Oh, no, it's not a polygon. Because it tells me right here, all of the sides are straight. Okay. These are not straight sides. They're curved. Okay. It is a closed shape, but not straight. Okay, so I'm going to try again. Polygon? Nope, not a polygon. Okay, it has straight sides now. Awesome, but not close. So, polygon is a polygon. It's got all straight sides. It's all closed up. It's kind of an irregular polygon. I don't see that shape very often. Okay, last one. Polygon is a polygon. Okay, it's got closed shapes or closed sides, all closed, all straight. Okay, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So yes, it's called a square, but if I'm looking for the good name for a polygon from our song and from this chart, it tells me 4 is a quadrilateral. So if I go back, now that I remember all those things, I go back to my slides up here and I find out, okay, it's telling me this week I have to name it. I have to sketch it. I have to tell in my sketches of how many vertices and also write down or maybe type in how many sides and vertices on that one. Okay, so on this one, it already has my picture for me. Okay, so I know just like I checked back, 4 sides is a quadrilateral. So I'm going to type in quadrilateral here. The picture's already there, but now it tells me to draw it with the vertices. So I'm going to use that same shape and I'm going to show my vertices or corners. Okay, and then over here, it tells me number of sides and number of vertices. So again, on this one for a quadrilateral, it's 4 sides, 4 vertices. All right, so that can help us out this week. Once I'm ready to turn in, it tells me that I can use number 4 or 5 to turn in. So I'm going to go here to remind myself how I can turn in. Number 4 tells me that I can make my own copy from Google Class. So it reminds you that if you go into the assignment for math this week, there'll be a copy. It also tells you that you can use and make your own copy of that slide. And there's a link here to show you how to do that. So if you're really wanting to type or to draw on the computer, number 4 and 5 suggest that. If it's too much for you or you want to do it a different way, you got 10 different ways right here of how to turn it in. So can't wait to see all your Polygon work and have a good one.